In this video, we are going to install this rotatable CarPlay screen provided by Eonon for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your 8.95-inch IPS touchscreen, which supports portrait and landscape mode. On the rear, we have your speaker and your mounting area. Two ways to mount. You can use your included suction mount, which attaches to these holes here. Simply slide in the bracket and shift up to lock into place. You also have an included magnetic mount. Easy to use, easy to remove, and easy to rotate for portrait or landscape mode. On one side, you have your power button. Press to turn on and off the display. Long press to turn on and off the unit. On the other side, you have your aux output, your micro SD card slot, your rear camera input, and your Type-C power input. Includes your cigarette plug power cable with an expanded USB port, your rear camera, which records at 1080p with a wide angle view of 170 degrees, along with your extension cable, your aux cable, your suction mount, two adhesive pads with screws, mounting clips, your pry tool, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. Here we're going to go ahead and mount your rear camera. You want to locate the center point of your rear windshield or adhesive if you want. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and use the screws. Then you go ahead and screw the camera into place. Once you got your camera mounted, we're going to go ahead and connect the rear camera. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. This red wire will connect to your reverse light, and we're going to run the rest of these wires down to the front of the vehicle. I'm going to extend this wire here to tap into my reverse light, which is this wire here on a Honda Pilot. Okay, I extended the wire and it's tapped right here, which is my reverse light wire. Then you tuck everything in using your included trim tool. Here we have a Honda Pilot. We have a couple ways to mount it. You can use your magnetic mount, which just attaches just like this. So depending on how you want to mount it, you're going to go ahead and bend this bracket. Then you can remove the protective film from the adhesive, mount it on, and there you go. Portrait, landscape. You can also mount it on the side if you prefer. Your bracket is bendable depending on mounting location. For this video, since I already have a screen, we're going to use the suction mount, which simply attaches to these holes over here. I'm going to go ahead and mount it to the dash. Make sure your dashboard is clean. Make sure this is unlock. To lock, you want to just push it down. So we're going to make sure it's unlocked. Go ahead and place it where you want to mount, and then just lock into place. Alright, so I went ahead and fed the wires through underneath the dashboard, coming out through the stop speaker. so that way I can plug it in. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same with our power. We're gonna go ahead and plug it to here, just like that, and then run the wires underneath this glove box to come out to here. All right, now that I have both cables coming out, we're gonna go ahead and plug them into the unit. Now let's go ahead and start the vehicle. We're gonna go ahead and select English. Here we have your main screen. We have your power button for the screen. Turn it off. Tap it again to turn it on. You can control your brightness. This button here is your rear cam. You can view it anytime. Press the home to go back. You can adjust your volume. And this here is if you want to rotate the screen. So let's say you want to rotate, hit confirm. We go ahead and rotate the screen. And now you're on portrait mode. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go through the settings for you. Here you have your reminder tone. You can turn that off or on. Your image mirror is for your rear camera. If you need to reverse or flip the mirror, you can turn it off or on. You have your reverse setting. These are your guidelines. Once you hit reverse, you can also adjust the guidelines. Hit confirm. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and go on reverse. And as you can see, it automatically changes to your reverse cam. Here we have your screensaver. You can turn that off. Have the screen turn off in 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute. You can change your wallpaper. Different options to choose from. You have auto dimming. You can have your night brightness at 25%, and you can change the start time and end time. I'm going to turn my auto dimming on. You can change your driving position depending what country you're in. You have multiple languages to choose from. You have assisted touch. You can turn that on or off. You have clear connections. If you have previously connected to any Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, you can go ahead and clear that. This is again your screen rotation. And you can do a factory reset if you want to go back to default settings. We're going to try and connect to Android Auto. We're going to hit Android Auto, hit confirm. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and follow the pairing instructions. We're going to look for Eonon right over here. Hit pair. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and hit pair. And it's that simple. Now let's go ahead and test voice control. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Seattle, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 40 and a low of 34. Right now it's 39 degrees and partly cloudy.
So the audio from Android Auto was coming out from the unit itself. You can change your audio output. Right now it's coming out from the speaker. You can have it come out through Bluetooth or FM transmitter, or you can use the aux cable and just plug it in directly to your stereo. To use FM transmitter, you're going to simply change the station to a free channel. We want to make sure that 102.4 is not being used. We go to your stereo. We're going to tune it to 102. I don't have 4 here, so let's go up 1.5. Enter. Yep, nothing connected. So we're going to go
decompression, laser, pressure wave, and bioelectrical treatment.
Oh.
Playing golf and
Actually, it looks like something is connected.
Consultation to learn.
Let's change the station. Let's go a little lower. Let's go to 89.9. We're going to tune 89. 9, hit enter. Okay, that one seems free. And it should connect automatically. Let's see if that works. We're gonna go back to our Android Auto and then give it a test. Hey Google, what's the weather today?
Today in Seattle, it'll be sunny with a forecasted high of 40 and a low of 34. Currently, it's 38 degrees and mostly sunny.
So now that's coming out from the speakers, connected via FM transmitter. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a super link for Android. This is if you want to mirror your phone. We're gonna click confirm. Then you want to get this app. Then we open up your app. We're gonna hit add. And you see your available device there. We're gonna click on that and start to connect. And then when you're ready, hit start now. And now you can see it's casting. Then you can play videos. And then you can go full screen. I don't know how.
Hey guys, welcome back.
There we go.
My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews. Just cut an X so that way I can open it up and just feed the wire through. Alright, now that I cut the hole, want to feed this through and then just go ahead and push the grommet in. So that's how it looks.
To connect to Carplay, you want to hit Carplay, hit confirm, then follow the instructions on your iPhone on the Bluetooth. You want to go down, look for the app, make sure it's the same Bluetooth. We're going to go ahead and pair, hit pair, allow, and connect, and you're all set. Let's go ahead and test voice control. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
Should be sunny today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 42 degrees, with overnight lows around 32.
Now we're gonna go ahead and try AirPlay. We're gonna click on AirPlay, confirm. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and follow the instructions on your phone. We're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and we're gonna look for AirPlay. Okay, there it is. And your password is 12345678. Join. Then we go to your screen mirroring. Look for smart screen. And you're all set. Now you have screen mirroring.
Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg. Put this in and just screw it into place.
If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.